Dear girls, hope that you all have finished the problems given to you. Let us work out 6.2. Now I shall do the remaining problems of this exercise. Then see the problem B of 2. Today I made X number of flower garlands. Mir made 6 more than twice the number of garlands I made. In total, how many garlands we two have made? We see that I made X number of flower garlands and Mir made 6 more than twice the number of garlands I made. Twice the number of garlands means 2 into X. Twice the number of garlands I made means 2 into X, that is 2X. And 6 more than twice the number of garlands I made means we have to add 6 with 2X, then we shall get 2X plus 6. Therefore, Mir made 2X plus 6 number of garlands. The solution is given below. I made X number of flower garlands and Mir made 2X plus 6 number of garlands. Therefore, we have made X plus 2X plus 6, X plus 2X plus 6 in total. That is, after simplification we shall get 3X plus 6 number of garlands in total. X plus 2X means 3X plus 6. Next problem is D. Last year, Firoza was present in school for X days. Firoza's friend Mohini was present for 3X plus 13 days. Let us find out last year how many days was Mohini present in school more than Firoz. We see that Firoza was present for X days and her friend Mohini was present for 3X plus 13 days. We see that 3X plus 13 is greater than X. 3X plus 13 is greater than X. Therefore, Firoza's friend Mohini was present in school more days than Firoza. Mohini was present in school more days than Firoza. Here the solution is given. Firoza was present in school for X days and Mohini was present for 3X plus 13 days. Since this number 3X plus 13 is greater than X, so we have to subtract X from 3X plus 13. We have to subtract X from 3X plus 13. That is 3X plus 13 minus X equal to 3X minus X plus 13. We rewrite the like terms together. 3X minus X equal to 2X plus 13. Therefore, Mohini was present in school for 2X plus 13 more days than Firoza. Therefore, Mohini was present in school for 2X plus 13 more days than Firoza. Then, problem E. Today, Dipuda sold 2X plus 19 newspapers, but yesterday he sold 5X minus 8 newspapers. Let us find how many newspapers did Dipuda sold today more than yesterday. From this problem we see that the number 5X minus 8 is greater than the number 2X plus 19, since in this problem here is given that yesterday he sold 5X minus 8 newspapers How many newspapers did Dipuda sold today more than? That is, Dipuda sold more newspapers today than yesterday. According to the given problems in this problem E, according to the given problem, we see that the number 2x plus 19 is greater than 5x minus 8. Therefore, we have to subtract 5x minus 8 from 2x plus 19. We write the problem as Dipuda sold 2x plus 19 newspapers today. He sold 5x minus 8 newspapers yesterday. This number 2x plus 19 is greater than 5x minus 8. Therefore, we have to subtract 5x minus 8 from 2x plus 19. Then after subtraction, we get 2x plus 19 minus 5x plus 8. We shall remove the first bracket. Then we shall get 2x plus 19 minus 5x minus plus 8. The like terms are brought together. 2x minus 5x are like terms. Plus 19 plus 8 equal to 27. And 2x minus 5x, after simplification we shall get minus 3x plus 27. That is 27 minus 3x. Therefore, today Dipuda sold 27 minus 3x more newspapers than yesterday. Therefore, Dipuda sold 27 minus 3x more newspapers than yesterday. Then we shall work out the problem 6. I have already done these problems 3, 4, 5. Problem 6. Ramu had rupees 13x square plus x minus 3. He spent rupees 4x square minus 3x minus 12. Let us find how much money Ramu has got. Ramu had rupees 13x square plus x minus 3. He spent rupees 4x square minus 3x minus 12. We have to find how much money Ramu has got. Then we have to subtract 4x square minus 3x minus 12 from 13x square plus x minus 3, since he spent this money from this money. Therefore, we write the problem as Ramu had rupees 13x square plus x minus 3 and he spent rupees 4x square minus 3x minus 12. Then now 13x square plus x minus 3 minus 4x square minus 3x minus 12 within bracket equal to 13x square plus x minus 3 minus 4x square minus plus 3x minus plus 12. We shall remove the first bracket between these algebraic expressions. We have already done this type of simplification in the previous class. Equal to 13x square minus 4x square, those are like terms, are brought together. X plus 3x are like terms, are brought together. Minus 3 plus 12. Then we shall write minus 3 plus 12 lastly. Equal to 13x square minus 4x square means 9x square. X plus 3x means 4x. And minus 3 plus 12 is equal to plus 9. Therefore, Ramu has got rupees 9x square plus 4x plus 9. Problem number 9. What is saying there? Let us find what must be subtracted from minus 11x minus 7y minus 9z to get minus 7x plus 3y minus 5z. You may consider this type of problem as a simple one. That is, let us find what must be subtracted from 8 to get 3. What must be subtracted from 8 to get 3? in this case we have to subtract 3 from 8. We have to subtract 3 from 8. That is, in this case, in this problem, we have to subtract this expression from this expression, this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. Therefore, the problem is minus 11x minus 7y minus 9z minus of minus 7x plus 3y minus 5z equal to what? Now, this expression is equal to, we shall remove the first bracket between these algebraic expressions, then we shall get minus 11x minus 7y minus 9z minus plus 7x minus 3y minus plus 5z, that is equal to minus 11x plus 7x. These are like terms are brought together, minus 7y minus 3y are brought together, minus 9z plus 5z, that is the like terms are all brought together. Then after simplification we shall get minus 11x plus 7x is equal to minus 4x minus 7y minus 3y is equal to minus 10y, and minus 9z plus 5z is equal to minus 4z. Therefore, the required answer is minus 4x minus 10y minus 4z. Then the problem of 11, what is given there? Let us subtract the sum x square minus 9x and minus 2x square plus 3x plus 5 from the sum of 5 plus 9x and 6 minus 7x plus 4x square. That is, we have to add 5 plus 9x and 6 minus 7x plus 4x square. We have to add x square minus 9x with minus 2x plus 3x plus 5. Then we have to subtract the addition of, that is the sum of these two expressions from the sum of these two expressions. The problem is here given below: 5 plus 9x plus 6 minus 7x plus 4x square minus of x square minus 9x plus minus 2x square plus 3x plus 5. See that here we have given that second bracket between these two expressions. In the case of subtraction, we have given the second bracket. 5 plus 6, after simplification the like terms are brought together, 5 plus 6, then plus 9x minus 7x plus 4x square. There is no like term to 4x square, so it should be written lastly. Minus, after this simplification we shall write x square minus 2x square, x square minus 2x square. These are like terms are brought together, minus 9x plus 3x, these are like terms, and plus 5 should be written lastly, equal to 5 plus 6, that is 11, 9x minus 7x, that is plus 2x plus 4x square, minus within bracket x square minus 2x square, that is minus x square, minus 9x plus 3x, that is minus 6x plus 5. We shall write this expression in this manner, equal to, after removing the first bracket between these two expressions, we shall get 11 plus 2x plus 4x square minus plus x square minus plus 6x minus into plus, that is minus 5. Then after this we shall write the like terms together, 4x square plus x square, these are like terms are written together, plus 2x plus 6x, those are like terms are written together, 11 minus 5 plus 11 minus 5. After simplification we shall get 4x square plus x square, that is 5x square, plus 2x plus 6x, that is 8x, plus 11 minus 5, that is plus 5. Then the remaining problems you should have done of this chapter. I am finished this in this class.